Now we go to the example 3 of the chapter 8.1. Now we also discussing the external angle of a triangle. For this question, we can see that there's a shape of star that the pentagon, okay, in the figure, okay, is formed by the 5 intersecting straight lines. Now we need to find the x, that is expressing the x in terms of a, b, c, and d. In this figure, the most important point is that whether you can relate it to the x to different triangles. If we elongate one of the line here, we can see that the x will be separated into two parts. One is 180 degrees, and we call the second part is x1. And actually, the x1 is an external angle of this triangle. And by observing this green triangle, we can see that this green angle will be equal to b plus d. That is the external angle of the green triangle. And if we observing this another blue triangle, this blue angle would be equal to a plus c. It is also by the property of external angle of a triangle. And lastly, we can see that by observing the last red triangle, the x1 would be equal to the green triangle and the blue triangle. That is the external angle of the red triangle. So lastly, we can see that x1 is equal to a plus c plus b plus d. So x would be equal to 180 degrees plus a plus b plus c plus d. That's it.